Hey guys, welcome to the 2021 Idaho black bear hunt. This is my first ever black bear hunt and have no idea what the hell I'm doing. I talked to my coworkers, I searched the internet, watched all sorts of YouTube videos, and got as much information as I could get, but I learned a lot in this time. So week one, we set out and we were gonna try doing a little baiting. So we set up our baits, set up some trail cams, and we hope for the best. So, enjoy. Hey Mike, what are we doing?
Setting up number 2.
Setting up bait 2? Do we know what the hell we're doing?
No.
Yeah.
Not a clue.
Think that'll work?
Trial and error. Hope so.
Should we smear some peanut butter on it?
Yes.
Alright. That's some gross, nasty shit.
Courtesy of McDonald's.
Courtesy of McDonald's. Let's hope they like some Jiffy. Some knockoff Jiffy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Trees like peanut butter, I guess. What's up, guys?
How's it going?
Me and Mike are out today, and we're gonna go check the baits we put out 2 weeks ago, and hopefully have a little bit of action, but not too much action. We're gonna check both our baits, and then we're gonna drive up to another area and throw out another bait. See how it goes.
First barrel coming up.
First barrel. See you guys. Well, we came up here. We found our bait half spilled out everywhere. Got excited and checked the cams, and we had a deer.
We're still hopeful.
Still hopeful. So we're gonna leave this one where it is and go check our other one. Well, we made it to our second bait. We didn't have any luck with our first one. It looks like something hit it, but our trail cams didn't show anything but a crow. I don't think a crow cleared out that much. So
Number 2, here we go.
number 2.
We're hopeful.
So after checking our cameras on week 2, we still hadn't had anything hitting our baits. So we decided to set out a third bait site. And Mike decided it was his turn to pack up the bait barrel. But he got the big one, and it was preloaded with bait, so it was good and heavy for him. So we'll see how it does. Anybody ever says baiting bears is easy, they've never freaking done it. Ready? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we made it. Got our trail cam there. I feel like it's screwy, we need to fix it. We're set up our tree stands, and those trees over there. Got our bait barrel. Look at this. Beautiful. And bring on the bears. All right, we're back. Week 3. We just got done checking both of our baits, and we didn't have any activity on one. It looks like we might have some activity on the other, but it's really hard to see. So we're taking our card back to the camper, to the laptop, and we're gonna hopefully see some bears and not just sticks.
A lot of photos. Hopefully it's promising. Cross your fingers, everybody. Woo!
Hey, at least he's excited.
Trying to be.
We're gonna go do some spot and stalk till it gets dark. It's about 7 o'clock right now, so wish us some luck. So week 4, Mike was not able to come up with us due to some family issues. So my dad and my brother decided to come up and help me. And the goal was to just pull my baits, and it was going to be my last week hunting. We still hadn't had any action on any of our cameras. Nothing had hit our baits. I was feeling pretty discouraged, but we were going to give it one last go. So after we pulled one of our baits, we decided, just to go for a little drive. It was 7 o'clock, about dark, and we just started spot and stalk. Well, we get up to the top of the road and hit snow and ended up having to turn around, and we just passed the perfect place at the perfect time, and my brother happened to spot a black bear across the canyon. And I wasn't able to get it on camera because it happened so quick, but we seen this black bear in a little packet of trees, and it walked out into a clearing, and I was able to shoot it at 280 yards. It rolled down the mountain a little ways, and it died. So it was a really cool experience. Morning. So last night I dropped my first bear. It's still laying up there on the mountain. It was quite a ways to get over there, and we didn't want to risk slipping and breaking the leg in the dark. So we're up this morning, got my mountain ops. We're gonna go get it. Let's go. Well, this is where he was when Austin spotted him. Caught just a little glimpse of him. Ended up walking down into one of these clearings over here, and we got a good broadside shot at him. Well, I hope you all have enjoyed my 2021 black bear hunt. It was a really cool experience to be able to do that with my dad and my brother, and tag out on my first bear. We skinned it all out and we got it to the taxidermist, and I'm really excited to get it back. We decided to do a rug on it. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.